కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం తీసుకొచ్చిన కొత్త బిల్లులతో దేశం మధ్యయుగంలోకి వెళ్లేలా ఉందన్నారు లోక్సభ ప్రతిపక్ష నేత రాహుల్ గాంధీ. రాజు ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరినైనా తొలగించేలా అప్పటి వ్యవస్థ ఉండేదని గుర్తు చేశారు. బిల్లు పూర్తిగా అప్రజాస్వామికమని ఆరోపించారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ ప్రియాంక గాంధీ కూడా. నితీష్ కుమార్, చంద్రబాబులను బ్లాక్మెయిల్ చేసేందుకే బిల్లు తీసుకొచ్చారని ఆరోపించారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్.
The new bill that the BJP is proposing, we are going back to medieval times when the king could just remove anybody at will. There's no concept of what an elected person is. He doesn't like your face, so he tells ED, put a case, and then democratically elected person is wiped out within 30 days. This is new.
And to couch it as a measure which is being taken anti-corruption is just to pull a veil across the eyes of the people. Tomorrow you can put any kind of case on a chief minister and put him in jail for have him arrested for 30 days without even him being convicted, and then he ceases to be chief minister. So I think that it's absolutely wrong. It's anti our constitution. It's against our constitution. It's undemocratic.
This bill is to sabotage the federal system of this country. This bill is to sabotage the basic principle of the constitution of this country. This bill is to target the opposition ruling government. This bill is to threaten the people like Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu. This bill is to blackmail.
You are innocent until proven guilty. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India. It violates Article 21, the due process clause. FIR, arrest, charge sheet, and even framing of charge does not in any manner substantiate guilt. In fact, you plead not guilty